Welcome to Swiss agriculture's evolution, where tradition meets innovation on its lush soil. In the picturesque hills of Kirchberg, Irene and Fritz Kuhns once herded pigs, but today, they nurture shrimps. Overcoming regulatory labyrinths and the challenge of selling locally grown shrimps at a premium cost, they persevered, embracing sustainability and unique quality. Meanwhile, Mirjam Luthi, on her family farm in Belluck, saw potential in quinoa. Despite fierce competition from imports and the lack of infrastructure, her resolve to adapt remained unyielding. Facing hurdles head-on, she planted hope with each quinoa seed, knowing diversification holds her farm's future. Yet, innovation alone falls short without systematic support. Enter new routes, revolutionizing cheesemaking in Switzerland. Freddie Hunziker and his team responded to ethical and environmental challenges by creating vegan cheese that tastes as traditional as it gets, without relying on dairies or cows. Harnessing the power of lupins and cashews, they're reinventing an age-old craft for today's conscientious consumer. These pioneering farmers and entrepreneurs prove that true innovation lies in resilience, creativity, and the courage to forge new paths. Swiss agriculture is changing. As these stories unfold, they encourage a collective shift towards supporting local, sustainable practices. Inspired by these innovations, consider lending your support to farmers embracing sustainability. Together, we can cultivate a brighter, more sustainable future, rooted in tradition yet open to the new. Let's celebrate these innovators and their incredible journeys toward progress. Thank you for joining us on this captivating exploration into the world of Swiss agriculture.